In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete and completely close your Cash App account. First things first, open up the Cash App and log in. Once you're logged in, the first thing you have to do is very important. You have to withdraw all of your remaining balance from your account. That's pretty obvious, but go ahead and tap withdraw here from the home screen and just go ahead and withdraw that to wherever you want it to go. Decide how you want that to be withdrawn and then go ahead and tap done. Once you have a cash balance of $0, you can go ahead and process the deletion of the account. The next thing you want to do is tap your profile image in the upper right-hand corner. Tap on your profile image, and then once here, you should see something down below that says Account and Settings. Scroll all the way down towards the bottom to where you see Support and a question mark. Go ahead and tap on Support. And then once you're here under Support, you should see a search bar at the very top under where it says How Can We Help? Go ahead and tap into the search bar there, and then just start typing Close Your Account. So start typing in Close, let's say Your, and then right here you should see where it says Close Your Cash App Account. Tap on that there. If you've taken your balance to $0, you should see the closing account documentation here, basically letting you know what's going to happen once you close your account. If you tap the green confirm button here, you will permanently delete your Cash App account and have to reopen it with a new email address or contact them to reopen with the same one that you're deleting from now. So tap confirm and you can now delete the app and you've permanently closed your Cash App account. There'll be a FAQ in the pinned comment below. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.